हाय एंड वेलकम टू फिटनेस क्लब। आज का हमारा वीडियो एक बहुत ही मेजर प्रॉब्लम पे है एंड दैट इज बेली फैट। मोस्टली व्हेन वी आर इनटू आवर वेट लॉस जर्नी एंड वी आर ट्रैकिंग ईच ऑफ आवर कैलोरी इनटेक, वी आर स्पेंडिंग आवर्स इन जिम and we are doing everything healthy and still not losing the belly fat. What could be the possible reason? Watch this video to find out the scientific reasons you might not be losing your belly fat. Watch this video till the end and subscribe my channel for further updates. Let's get started. तो सबसे पहले ये समझना है कि what is belly fat? Belly fat is equal to your lifestyle plus hormones. Hormones have a major role to play. The reason behind your belly fat could be high insulin, high cortisol, low estrogen or low progesterone. These are the hormones which plays a major role behind the belly fat. सबसे पहले जब हम belly fat की बात करते हैं तो सबसे major factor जो आता है that is stress. और stress में include होंगे emotional stress, your lifestyle, your sleeping patterns, your exercise routine and your food habits, and also your age. Let's discuss each of them one by one. Number one is emotional stress. जब हम इमोशनल स्ट्रेस में होते हैं, what we do, we tend to overeat fatty food, starchy food, fried food, sugary food and processed food. This is our tendency. जब हम स्ट्रेस में होते हैं, we tend to eat more food. And not only this, our body produces cortisol hormone, which enlarges the fat cells and encourages our body to store more fat to cope up with the stress. Now that you know, you could be thin but still have a belly, and the reason is not how much do you eat or how much you exercise. The reason could be how much you have the emotional stress levels. So next time when you are under emotional stress, don't overeat. Stop and try deep breathing and even meditation. Go for a long walk or a nature walk. Listen to your favorite song and even practice yoga to cope up with that stress. Next point to be discussed is sleep. How much emphasis I give on sleep in every video because sleep is really important. अगर आप हर दिन 6 घंटे से कम नींद ले रहे हो तो आप पूरा दिन टायर्ड फील करोगे, पूरा दिन स्लगिश फील करोगे। न सिर्फ ये बल्कि आपकी बॉडी ज्यादा कॉर्टिसोल हार्मोन प्रोड्यूस करने लगेगी, जिसकी वजह से फैट अराउंड योर एब्डोमिनल एरिया विल स्टार्ट इंक्रीजिंग। साथ ही साथ हमारी बॉडी ज्यादा ग्रेलिन हार्मोन भी प्रोड्यूस करेगी, which is also known as the hunger hormone, which increases our appetite और हमें उसकी वजह से ज्यादा भूख लगती है और ज्यादा फैट स्टोरेज प्रमोट होता है बॉडी में, and which means we tend to eat more fatty and more sugary food. Now what to do with this? Sleep for at least 7 to 8 hours every night. Stay away from caffeine in the evening. Switch off all your electronic gadgets at least 1 hour prior your sleep. And keep your room dark and cool for a better and quality sleep. Next important point is extreme dieting. Constantly depriving your body from food and constantly feeling hungry is not the solution. Eating less and thinking that your belly fat will melt away will not do. Why? Because when you are depriving your body from food, what your body thinks that this person is in need of more food and he is in stress. So what your body do? It start producing ghrelin hormone, again the hunger hormone, which increases your appetite and increases your fat storage capacity. And it encourages the liver to store more fat around your belly area. हाँ, जब आप एकदम क्विक डाइट फॉलो करते हो तो वेट लूज होता है डेफिनेटली, बट वो सिर्फ थोड़े टाइम के लिए। जैसे ही आप अपनी नॉर्मल ईटिंग में वापस आते हो, यू विल सी दैट आपका जितना भी वेट लूज हुआ था उससे ज्यादा वेट वापस से आ जाएगा और उससे ज्यादा जल्दी आएगा, क्योंकि ये डाइट सस्टेनेबल नहीं है और हेल्दी भी नहीं है, इसलिए I don't recommend any of the quick solutions. So what is the solution? The solution is do not count your calories, do not cut your food, but focuses on what you eat rather than how much you eat. Food is a blessing, not a punishment. The next point to be discussed is exercise. Yes, if you are doing exercise a lot and still not losing the belly fat, the reason could be the exercise you have chosen is wrong. You are doing cardios only. You are not including strength training in your workout routine, and if you are exercising very lightly and doing 100 crunches every single day, thinking that your belly fat will melt away. All this is totally wrong. It is important and it should be a part of your exercise routine. But doing only cardio will not do. Why? Because जब हम कार्डियो करते हैं उसके जस्ट बाद हमारी बॉडी फैट बर्न करना स्टॉप कर देती है. But when we do strength training or high intensity workout, हमारी body even after the workouts keeps on burning the fat and even while at rest. Exciting. But again, doing high intensity training every single day will not give your muscles to recover from the wear and tear. So what is the recommended plan is 2 days high intensity training, 2 days strength training and 2 days low impact training, yoga or gentle workout. And remember, the most important thing is spot reduction is not possible. There is no such magical diet, magical drink, magical pill which will spot reduce the fat from any part of your body. That is not possible. So doing 100 crunches every single day and thinking that your belly fat will melt away will not help. The possible way to reduce your belly fat is reduce your overall body fat percentage, for which you need to maintain a healthy lifestyle, healthy nutrition and a proper exercise routine. And lastly, belly fat is also associated with inflammation and bloating. High sugary food, processed food, refined food will cause inflammation in the belly area, which makes our belly appear larger than it actually is. तो ये फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि आप कैलोरी डेफिसिट डाइट में हैं. अगर आप प्रोसेस्ड और जंक फूड खाते हैं मेनली, even though you are in a calorie deficit diet, your belly fat will not melt away. In fact, it will increase and lead to other problems such as indigestion and acidity. Here is one tip for you. Cut off all the junk and refined food from your diet for 1 week and see the difference. Try consuming more natural foods which are known to reduce inflammations. These are citrus fruits, green leafy vegetables, healthy fat, nuts and seeds, garlic and ginger and lot more. These foods will aid in digestion. They are packed with nutrients, will improve your overall health and also melt away the stubborn belly fat. So these are the few factors which are possibly the reasons why you are not losing your belly fat. You have to change your lifestyle to maintain the balance between the hormones and have a flat tummy. See you soon in next video. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family and subscribe my channel. Thank you.